मदरसे के एक तालिब इल्म यासिर बिन अजमल को दावत देता हूँ कि वो आए और इंग्लिश ज़बान में अपने ख्यालात का इज़हार फरमाए।
In the name of Allah, who is the name merciful and most beneficent, honorable guests, respected teacher, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wonderful morning to all of you. Today on this special occasion, I would like to speak some word on the topic ethics. Our ethics determine the kind of person we are in the path we follow in life. Our ethics help us every time we face hardship and emergency we contribute good. Ethical value also make us people who contribute to the progress and development of society. Being ethical strengthens our character, distinguish right from wrong, and this allows us to lead a right house and morally upright life. At the end, I would like to thank you so much listening to attentively. Thank you.